Hi everyone. In the previous video we have studied about the operators, about the 5 types of operators, and in this video we'll be covering the one type of arithmetic operator, that is the unary arithmetic operator. Unary arithmetic operator consists of two types of operators, that is increment operator and decrement operator. Increment operator further consists of two types of operator, pre-increment operator and post-increment operator, and same as of decrement operator also consists of two types of operator, pre-decrement operator and post-decrement operator. In increment operator we increment the operand or the variable by 1, and in decrement operator we decrement the operand or variable by 1. So what is the difference between pre and post increment or pre and post decrement operator? In the pre increment operator we increment the operand or variable by 1 and then assign the value, and in the post increment operator we increment the variable, we assign the variable, then increment it by 1. Same in case of decrement operator. In pre decrement operator we decrement the operator by 1 and then assigned it, and in post decrement operator we assigned it and then decremented. Now let's move to the code so you will get familiar what I'm talking about assigning and increment and decrement. This is our example program of pre and post increment. This is our class pre post increment. This is, I have given it the class name, you can give any name to class pre post increment. This is public class, so file name should be same, pre post increment. This is our main function. In main function we have initialized a variable int a is equal to 5 and int b is equal to plus plus a. So what happens in this case? In this case this is a pre-increment operator. The value of the a is incremented first and then assigned to b. So the answer for this program will be, the value of b will be 6 and the value of a will also be 6. So let us just compile this program. This pre post increment .java. There are no errors in this file, and then pre post increment. See, 6 is the answer. If I change it to post increment operator, then what happens? The answers will be, b will be first assigned, a will be first assigned to b and then incremented. So the answer for a will be 6, but the answer for b will be 5. We need to save this file and then again recompile it. There are no errors and we need to run it. See, 6 and 5. So this is about the pre-post increment operator. Now we'll cover the pre-post decrement operator. This is the file of pre-post decrement operator. The class name, the class is public as same of file name. In this main function we have initialized a variable a is equal to 5 and pre-decremented and assigned into b. So in this case the value is decremented first and then assigned to b. So the answer of a and b will be 4 and 4. I'll just compile it. Java pre-post decrement. See, the answer is 4 4, but I have done here post decrement. So the 5 is assigned to b and then this is the decrement, then the 5 is assigned to b and then the value of a is decremented. So I'll just again save this file and I'll recompile it. Now I'll run it. See, so the answer are different. The value of a is 4 and the value of a is 5. This is about the unary arithmetic operators pre and post increment, and in the next video we will be covering all the types of binary arithmetic operators. Thank you.